Flexbook Touch Keyboard Case has lots of features and is a cheaper alternative to Apple's Smart Keyboard, compatible for iPads with a 10.2-inch screen or a 10.5-inch screen. Stick with me and I'll show you the rest of the features. The Flexbook Touch Keyboard Case comes in a nice hard case shell. When you first open the case, you may find that it's very stiff, and I must admit at one point I thought it was going to snap. So applying a little pressure towards the bottom of the top case helps to open the case a little easier. So when you switch it on, you'll see all the colors light up. Pop in your iPad, clipping it in at the edges. The first few times you use it, you'll find it a little stiff at the hinge, but it does loosen up with usage. So if I want to use it as tablet mode, I'll just rotate it and lay it down on top of the keyboard, which obviously makes it a little bulky. So because of the 360 rotating feature, the iPad does not detach from the keyboard. The case comes with all the necessary cutouts for access points, buttons and speakers. I did find a little lag when scrolling up and down. Perhaps I'm just used to using the touchpad on the Mac, which is a lot faster, so I'm feeling that this is a lot slower. This touchpad also has a matte finish to it, so I feel that I need to apply a little bit more pressure just to feel it scroll up and down. Pinch diagonally outwards to zoom out and inwards to zoom in. Swiping 3 fingers down will take you to the home screen. Swipe 3 fingers up and it'll take you back to your app. 1 finger tap will open the app, 2 finger tap will close the app. Press the top left key once on the keyboard and it'll take you to your home screen. Press it twice and it'll take you to your control center. Press and hold it down and it will bring up Siri for you. And for more reviews, tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe with the notification bell turned on. Press the color button or the light button to switch on the backlight. Press the color button to select a color. And pressing the light button changes the level of brightness before switching it off. So here you'll see the pointer for the touchpad. If you want to switch it off, the on and off button is here. And this will make the pointer disappear. And sometimes what happens is when you're typing on the keyboard, you may accidentally use your wrist to switch off the button without realizing. So if you can't find your mouse pointer anyway, most likely you've pressed the on and off button. The keyboard also comes with the loop for your Apple Pencil. If you're finding this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like and also drop me a comment below. So if you want to change your mouse cursor, open up Settings, into Accessibility, and then scroll down to Pointer Controls, and here you'll be able to change the appearance of your mouse. So at the top one you'll see Contrast. You can either make it light or dark, and then the third option is your colors, and here you can choose none or you can choose a color, and that will just put a ring around the mouse cursor. And I can also change the border width, which makes the mouse cursor look larger or smaller. Since the keyboard has been designed for the iPad, the keyboard is going to be smaller, which means the keys are also going to be smaller. The keys do work really well. There doesn't seem to be any sticking. And if you're coming from a regular sized keyboard, it's definitely going to take some getting used to, especially if your fingers are a little bigger. The keyboard also comes with a USB charging cable, which you'll use with your Apple adapter. And when you plug it in for charging, the red light will show up that it's charging. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to catch you in the next video.